Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one challenging quartic equation x square minus 6x cube plus 9x square plus 100 equal to 0, and we will be solving this question using algebraic identities and quadratic formulas. So let's get started by writing our equation as x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 9x square equal to negative 100. Now I can see x square is common. So x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to negative 100. So this is one perfect square. If I can write then x square, and this I will write x minus 3 whole square, and right hand side is negative 100. Left hand side we have one square or perfect square, x times x minus 3 whole square, and right hand side we are having negative value. That means complex solutions. So I can replace this minus 1 as minus 1 times 100. So I can write I is equal to square root of minus 1. I square we know it is minus 1. So we can replace this minus 1 as I square. So it is 100 I square. So left hand side x times x minus 3 whole square, and right hand side it is 10 I whole square. Take all the term to one side. So I will write x square minus 3x, it is whole square, minus 10I whole square equal to 0. Now a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So I will write x square minus 3x plus 10I. A plus b bracket is done. A minus b, x square minus 3x minus 10I equal to 0. So it is in the factor form bi-quadratics. So let me write here x square minus 3x plus 10I times x square minus 3x minus 10I equal to 0. So let us solve both the quadratic putting equal to 0. So let me write x square minus 3x plus 10I equal to 0. Two solutions we will get from here, and from the second bracket putting this equal to 0, we will be having two more solutions. Let me consider the first quadratic equation. So I will use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b, minus of minus 3 plus 3, square root b square minus 3 square is 9, minus 4ac, so minus 40I, divided by 2a, so 2. Now come to the second quadratic equation. Minus b, so 3 plus minus square root 9 plus 40I, and divided by 2. So we have to ultimately write our answer in appropriate form as it is having a square root term. So what we'll do, we'll calculate square root separately. So let us find out square root of 9 minus 40I, and then we'll be calculating square root of 9 plus 40I in other way. So let's find out first. 9 minus 40I. The conventional way is consider x plus iy one complex number equal to this square root, and then consider squaring both sides. Then compare coefficients both sides, real and imaginary. You will get two equations. You will solve, you will get to know x and y values, and we can write our x plus iy in that place of square root. See how we can solve directly if it is possible. 9 we can write 25 minus 16, 40 as it is 40I with negative sign. Now this minus I will consider I square and I will merge with 16. So we can write this as 25 plus 16i square, and then we will be writing 40i as it is with negative sign. Then I will write this one as 5 square plus 4i whole square. Then it is minus 2 times 5 times 4i. Check. 2ab. So 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 4 is 40. It is there. I is there. 16. Yes, it is matching. So I can write in that place square root of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square. 5 minus 4i whole square. Now square root and square term we can cancel. So ultimately we can write 5 minus 4i. So square root of 9 minus 40i is square root 9 minus 40i is 5 minus 4i. Now let us calculate 9 plus 40i also. Where it will change? The identity will change. Same way we can write it is equal to square root 25 minus 16 plus 40i, first step. Second step, square root 25 plus 16i square, as I square is minus 1, plus 40i. Third step, square root 5 square it is. This is 4i whole square, and this 40i we can write 2ab. A is 5, b is 4i. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means a plus b whole square. Square root and square will be over. So 5 plus 4i. So let us put this value to our solution part. So I will be writing now both the values. So let me write here x is equal to 3 plus minus square root 9 minus 40i over 2. This was solution. And 3 plus minus 9 plus 40i by 2. Let us put both the values. 9 minus 40i. This value was 5 minus 4i. 5 minus 4i divided by 2. And here I will be writing 5 plus 4i as it was a plus b whole square formula. Now with plus sign I will be getting 3 plus 5 minus 4i over 2 with minus sign in between. 3 minus 5 plus 4i over 2. Now come to the second solution. This solution 3 plus 5 plus 4i divided by 2, and last value with minus sign in between. 3 minus 5 minus 4i divided by 2. So now I can write 8 minus 4i divided by 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 4i divided by 2. Now I can write 8 plus 4i divided by 2. And then I can write minus 2 minus 4i divided by 2. Now I will divide by 2 and I will be writing our final answer as x is equal to 4 minus 2i. Then we can write minus 1 plus 2i. Then we can write 4 plus 2i. Then we can write minus 1 minus 2i. So overall we have got all 4 complex solutions. So let me write in this form 4 plus minus 2i and minus 1 plus minus 2i. 4 complex valued solution using the application of quadratic formula. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.